Okay, is it visible now? Subramani, can you hear me now? You are able to see my screen? Okay, I believe I'm live now. So we'll start the analysis. Yeah. So whatever we discussed yesterday has absolutely happened today, right? So whatever I told, like by looking at our open interest, I told like we'll be hitting 17,500 for sure. So and today's high was 17,490.7. So it was just missed by somewhere around some 9.03% points, right? And it made a low of 17,161. That also was predicted yesterday itself. We'll go to 1 hour chart and see like what was given yesterday. Yeah. So market made a top. Market opened here at that was a good gap up opening. In the fear of war, it was a drastic fall, and again Nifty made a top of somewhere around 17,406 and closed at 17,364. Yeah. So what happened today, what caused the fall, is purely because of the warfare. Nifty was able to crack at least like 200 points, and again market made a top of 17,406. If you look at the structure, there is a very good fall. The fall here is the support. So let's plot the support here. Yeah, so this was not taken out. So this line, this point 17,220 was not taken out, which means even in 15 minutes chart, Nifty didn't close below this 17,200 levels, and it started moving up. This was a clear doji, and this was a clear bullish morning star, and started the Nifty made a top of 17,406. If you look at the structure, it is a very clear structure. Market again started moving up. So many were worried about the crash today, a small crash today. This is not at all a worrying thing, because when you start worrying for a small crash and all, we will not be able to make money, or we will not be able to sustain in the market. So this is the structure here. So market made a top of 17,490 and made a bottom of 17,161. Such a good fall, and the trend has reversed in the lower time frame. So what we can expect is, right now we are in the higher high, and if this is getting continued, definitely again this top can be touched, which is around 17,490 to 17,500, and our resistance is lying around 17,522. So there is a very high chance of the market moving towards this level. So that is how the structure will work. If in case if you are opening itself, it is below this level, which is 17,348, and if this is taken out, if 17,265 is taken out, then we can expect the market to come down. So when we have to start worrying is because we have been in a continuous rally for almost like 2 weeks. We'll go to 1 day chart so that the structure will be very clear. Yeah. So let's remove all these lines. So market has to close at least the low of at least below the low of the previous day. That is where we have to start thinking whether we have to take an exit, or whether we have to take a break, or whether we have to book the swing trading stocks. That is where we have to start thinking about exit or hold. Okay. So right now there is no situation, or there is no point in thinking about thinking negatively, because market has been continuously moving up. If you see the last 3 days, it has been spinning top, hammer, and today this is a hanging man. Only if tomorrow, if market is closing below today's, at least like below the today's opening, which is going to be today's closing, which is 17,382 is the today's closing. If market is closing below this, or if it is closing below today's low, that is where we have to worry about. And China has already like declared like this is going to be a drill exercise, so no need to worry about the war. Stop spending a lot of time in studying the news. Start spending the time to watch the candles and structures. That will definitely yield you money. Yeah. So the structure is very clear. Market is in higher high. It has to come down. It has to definitely come down, because if you look at the higher low here, market made a low, high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high. From higher high, it has to come down to make a higher low. It can be this level or at least half of this rally. If you count from this point, let's take the exact level. So market has to come down. Today itself it tried to break this 0.236, but it didn't break. Market can come towards 0.382 or 0.5, which is going to be 16,960. That is going to happen for sure, but for that we need a confirmation. Today there has been a good hanging man, and tomorrow if there is a fall below this today's closure, then we can expect a small pullback, at least like 2 to 3%, which will give us the rally towards 16,960. Till that we need not worry. Even if it is coming towards 0.618 or at this this top is touching, that is also a going to be a good pullback rally after that, because market has absolutely turned bullish. So let's not worry about the news is wars or recessions. War, if you look at the wars, if you can just Google out and find what happened in Kargil war. Kargil war happened in 1999, right? I'm not exactly sure about the date and year, but if you look at the Kargil war, definitely market rallied. If you want, I can just Google it out and find it out. So Kargil war, yeah, it happened between 3rd May and 26th July. Let's go to 3rd May 1999. We'll go to the monthly chart. So 1.5 months the war happened, and if you can, surprisingly, if you see what happened in during the war, that will be really great to know, like during the war also market is going to rally. So here is our, where is the market in 1999? So it is 1999, right? Yeah, it is 1999. This is 2004, 2003, 2001, 2000, and here we have the May, June. Yeah, so this is going to be May and this is June. If you look at the market, Kargil war happened between India and Pakistan, and market has rallied to a great extent. If you look at these 2 months between May, June and July, continuously it has rallied. From, if you take it take the low of this, take this low 968, and market made a top of 1818 in next few months. It is 100% rally after a war. So don't need to worry about the war. This is what I can say about. If you in last few months also, if you look at the Russian war, Russia and Ukraine war, what has happened in the market? Definitely the rally has come. The rally has come. The market made a low of 15,183, and right now we are in 17,490. So nothing to worry about war. If it is giving an opportunity, as an investor, we need to look for opportunities, not for fear, because all these candles are going to be the calculation of fear and greed. So greed is always good as an investor. So whenever there is a market fall, please try to catch good stocks. Yeah. So looking at the structure is very clear. Market is in higher high. It can make a higher low, which can be around 17,000 and 16,930. So that is what we can expect from the upcoming days. Till that, if the market is continuing to go up, then definitely market can go up till 17,520 to 530. That is where is the next resistance is lying. If you look at this is going to be a clear short resistance for the upcoming rally. It can go till this 520, or beyond that also it can go, which is going to be 17,750. It can go, because this is going to be a result season. Definitely many companies have given a lot of good results, dividends, stock split, lot of good news has been coming continuously, and GST collection hit somewhere around 1.49 lakhs of uh, collection in this month of July. So definitely everything is good so far. So even if there is a mild recession, definitely market will give a good opportunity. That is where we can grab a very good stocks. I believe we can go to Bank Nifty. So Bank Nifty, we will see like what happened in Bank Nifty. So Bank Nifty, yeah, Vintra, any levels for fresh option entry in Nifty either side, call or put. So Nifty, if you see, definitely we will be getting a option tomorrow, entry tomorrow. That is, as I told, like market has made a structure of higher high, right? So the trend has reversed. The trend has reversed, and the market made a top of 17,406 for this swing. So if it is going towards 17,490 or 522, that is where we can go for a put option buy. So if the levels are coming, we can expect the market can come down, so that we can go for a put option. If we are not getting this level, then need not take the trade. If market is opening below 17,271, then the view itself is invalid. So we need to wait till that and we can take the trade. Yeah. So we'll see like what opportunities Bank Nifty is going to give us. So as I told, like yesterday, market will definitely come down towards 37,440. Maybe like in the first half, market made a bottom of somewhere around 17,442. I posted in the Telegram channel as well. After that, what I told, it is going to be a buying opportunity. Definitely market will bounce, and market has bounced. It made a bottom of 37,249 and it bounced towards 37,836. Again 500 points rally. So market is absolutely bullish. If you see this pattern right now, we have formed a double top. This top and this top is exactly a double top, and the neckline has been broken. We'll delete all the existing lines so that the structure will be clear. So market is making a M pattern. Why market is making M pattern? Very simple. Market was in a ascending trend line. So I believe we plotted this ascending trend line on Tuesday, I guess. So once this ascending trend line is getting broken, I told like market will fall to a good extent. First target will be this bottom, and then we can expect the target towards this area, and that has been done towards 37,200 and 37,000. I have given the target. Today it made a bottom of 37,249. So what will happen to this double top, we will discuss. So market made a top of 38,179, and again it made a top of 38,231. So this becomes a double top, and definitely it is going to be a trend reversal bearish pattern. Yeah. And what happened today? From 38,231, it made a bottom of 37,249, almost like close to 1,000 points downside, right, today itself. And this is going to be the neckline. If you measure the double top and neckline, definitely the target would have been hit. So that is the reason why I gave 37,400 and 440 and 37,200 as the target. So I believe 90% of the target is done. So again, that is why market started moving up. And if you look at this point, it has become, right now it has become like a double bottom. Yeah. So this bottom and this bottom has become as a double bottom. For the double bottom to become a valid one, whether we have to get a trend reversal or it has to break the trend, this neckline. So I believe that is not going to happen, and we need not validate this double bottom. So for now, the range for Bank Nifty is going to be around 38,200 and 37,000. Either side has to break. That is where we will get opportunity. Until then, the market will be in sideways between 38,000 and 37,000. So if this is getting broken, we will be moving towards 39,000, and if this is getting broken, we will be coming towards 36,000. Simple. So either side break will give us an opportunity to take the decision to whether we can go bullish or bearish. So till then we don't have much opportunities for buyers, but a risky buy will come at, again, if it is market is making 38,230 or 38,330, definitely that is going to be a put option buy. And if market is coming towards 37,000 and giving a reversal, we can again go for a buy. If this is getting broken, then we can expect market towards 36,800, because that is going to be 400 points from here. So this is going to be the first target, and second target it can come towards 36,270, that is going to be 1000 points from here. So if this is getting broken, which will decide the bearish move, and if this is getting broken, which is 38,100 is getting broken, then we can expect bullish move. And if you look at the today's price action pattern, we are able to see a good hanging man. In between we have a spinning top, and this is going to be a bullish candle. So in the top we have got a good reversal signal. If tomorrow will decide whether we are going to go towards 36,000 or we are going to move towards 39,000. So most probably we are already in the higher high, so it is very good to come down a bit to make a higher low and continue the trend. If it is coming towards the downside, definitely the 37,000 will be the target. So 37,200 has already done, so we need to wait and watch. So until then, 38,230 will give us an opportunity for put option buy, and 37,000 will be giving us a buy for call option. So that is going to be the trade for tomorrow. Don't buy in between 37,800 and 38,000, which will really give us which will really test our patience. So don't do that. Yeah, next week expiry we will see on Monday. So tomorrow anything can happen, because usually after a huge downside momentum on expiry, next day it will bounce. So that is why I told, like, after beyond 38,000 closure we can expect good rally. But today's 1000 points momentum in the downside, a good profit booking came. So we need to wait and see for tomorrow. Yeah, we'll go to one important swing trading stock. So after results, the Reddington India has made a good jump with a good volume, and it made a top of almost like 9% today. And if you look at the structure, market has reversed for Reddington India. So the trend reversal has come. So this is going to be the retesting area. Retesting area will be around 135. If you are getting a chance of taking an entry at 135, you can definitely take a trade, and this will be the stop loss. 118 will be the stop loss. First target is 149, 150, and second target is going to be 170. So already we gave a call in this Reddington India from 135. It made a top of 170 and we closed that. Again, the market is giving a good opportunity. So in the bottom of the downtrend, market has given a trend reversal after a good fall from almost from 179 to 110. Market has started moving up. Yeah, so the trend reversal has come with a good volume today, 9% up. So we need not go behind the breakout and break our heads. If it is coming to make a retest around 134, 135, then we can go for a trade, and targets are going to be 150 and 172 will be the targets. And if you look at the pattern clearly, market is trying to break the descending trend line. If you mark this line, yeah, this is going to be, again, definitely it will go and touch the 150 and 170. So if it is breaking this descending trend line this time, then we can expect some good sort of rally. And definitely this again, this same region, which is going to be 175 to 180 region will be acting as a resistance. For that, we need not miss this 30% target. Definitely we will catch this 30% here from here. Usually after when the stock is going for a split, it will definitely have the same kind of momentum. I have already recommended Tata Steel can be booked half at least, because we saw a split. For sure this month we will not be moving above 115 for this month, and there will be a small consolidation, then it can come down as well, because the it has been split 1:10. Definitely there will be long accumulation going on for at least like 6 months to 1 year. Once the cycle starts, till that you can slowly accumulate the stock Tata Steel, and definitely it will make a boom in near future. Yeah. So I think next yesterday I missed to look at Nifty IT. Somebody was asking about it. I'll have a look on that. Nifty IT already I given a call at call in Infosys, Wipro, HCL, everything has got hit. Let me show why I gave that call. So market is making like this is going to be a insider candle, and until we are staying above this candle's high, which is 29,355, we are going to be bullish. Until then, no selling in IT stocks, because market will try to go towards this level. Market has already reversed its trend. It made a high, it made a high, low, lower high and lower low. So market will definitely try to go towards 32,000 levels. So till that, no selling stocks. So definitely market is going to trying to move towards 32,600 levels. Till that, we are not going to sell anything, because why 32,600? I will tell you again. It is going to be the lower high, which is going to be 0.618. Till that, IT stocks will be bullish. Yeah, till that we are going to be bullish. After that, if there is any reversal signal, we will try to book the stocks and come out of the trade. Okay, so that is all from today's discussion. If there is any question, I'll just try to answer that, or else we'll wind up the session.